This is part 7 on completing the duct design calculations. In this part we'll look at part G of the worksheet, duct design pressure. The duct design pressure is very dependent on the total effective lengths of the return air system. And so you'll see here that the first question they're asking is what is the longest effective length for the individual return branches. From the calculations above we can see that R number 1 has a total effective length of 227 feet, and so then you would simply enter 227 in this location. The next line is the available design pressure. So this is from page 3, line C9, and if you go back to page C, you should find we've got an available static pressure of 0.281. Now, depending on the total length of the longest branch, we have to select a return air apportioning factor. So this is where you would look at table C3, and you'll notice that depending on different lengths, you can split up the available static pressure between the return and the supply. In our case, we have an effective value that is between 191 and 300, so we will be splitting the total available static pressure 50% to the return air and 50% to the supply air. So that is simply take the total available design pressure times 0.5, 50%, and we end up with 0.14. If we take now 0.14, and so 0.281 minus 0.014, we end up with 0.141 as the supply pressure.